Who are you?
Who are you? I am a lion.
Where do you live? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಇರ್ತೀಯ? Where do you live?
Jungle.
I live in jungle. Say?
I live in jungle.
Yeah, kids, what the lion sounds? How the lion sounds? How the lion sounds?
Who are you? Who are you? I am a tiger.
Where do you live?
I live in jungle.
Okay, what is the sound of the tiger? Okay, good. Get back. Next.
I am a dog.
Okay, what is this dog sounds? Okay, good. Next. You come.
I am fox.
Where do you live?
I live in jungle.
Very good. How the fox sounds? Very good, Jashvita. Very good, fox. You? Who are you? I am a duck. Where do you live? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ನೀನು? ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು.
ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ.
Pond. Say?
Pond.
Okay, how the duck sounds? Good.
Who are you? I am.
I'm a bird.
I am a bird.
I'm an owl.
I am a owl.
I wake up in the night.
I wake up in the night.
Kids, how the sounds do? Owl ಹೇಗೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Okay, good. Get back. Next. Who are you?
Who are you? I am a elephant.
Where do you live?
I am a jungle.
I live in.
I live in jungle.
Okay, I am the
I am a
biggest.
biggest animal.
Okay, what is your food? ಏನು ಫುಡ್ ತಿಂತೀಯ ನೀನು?
ನಾನು ಕಬ್ಬು.
Very,
ಮತ್ತೆ grass.
very good. How?
Who are you? I am a rabbit.
What do you eat?
I like to carrot.
I like to eat carrot.
I like to eat carrot.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Bunny Rabbit. Say everyone.
Hello, Mr.
Bhavani, so cute, na? Who are you?
I am a hen.
Okay. What do N gives us? N gives us? What do N gives us? What do N gives us? Sentence. Very good, Laya. Once again repeat. Very good, Charvi. Very good, very good. Okay, what do the N sounds? How the N sounds? Cluck, 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 cluck. Do that.